back at it again. So good to be back, guys. Just had a pretty productive day. Got a heap of aluminium prints done, as you just saw. So yeah, pumped now to talk a little bit more about our promotion for our YouTube channel. So basically what we're trying to do is build the channel. So to do that, I understand that we need to, get more people to subscribe to the channel, comment on our videos and like our videos as well. So what I'm doing is for everyone who subscribes to our channel over the next week and also comments and likes our videos, we will be doing a random draw prize, and I'm going to do a heap of prizes, and they're going to be gift cards to our photographic printing services, so you can use them on any products that you want. It's not me dictating what you must use it for. So I'm going to do 10 $100 gift cards, 5 $50 ones, 2 $20 ones, and if we hit like a few milestones, like maybe get 500 subscribers or maybe even 1,000, then I'm going to give a site-wide coupon code to everyone who has helped out with that as well. So it's pretty easy. We love doing what we do. That is the reason, is to help them out in any way possible, answer questions, provide helpful Photoshop tips or Lightroom tips, any kind of image editing stuff that may be helpful that you'd like to know, and I'll just tell you exactly what I think. And I love any feedback that you can give to us as well. So if there's anything at all that you'd love to see, please let me know. I do get new gear from time to time as well, and I'm happy to share what that is and how it's going and give an honest review about it. So I'm happy to do that kind of thing. Or if my customers really just want to see me stick specifically to the printing stuff and the Photoshop stuff, that's fine too. So anyway, thanks for coming for the ride. If you want to join our free competition and take part in the over $1,000 worth of prizes, I did contact one of our suppliers to see if they were interested in possibly joining in, but I haven't heard back yet. So if we do get other sponsors along the way who'd like to donate gifts to our little promo as we're trying to kick our channel off, they're welcome to contact me, and I will be happy to discuss appropriate prizes for you guys. All right, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.